Now we are going to create the update functions. Inside the mutation.js, we create a constant called update to do. And we use the GraphQL. And then we type mutation update to do. And then we pass the ID, title, detail, and the date. And then we execute the update to do, and then we use this and paste here, and what we just missed is the ID, and we want it to return the ID, title, detail, and the date, so we can copy this and also paste to here. And now we already create this, and then we can back to add todo.js, and on the top we import the update to do. And then we use the mutations. So we constant update to do is equal to use mutation update to do. And then we go to add the modification to on submit functions, because we want to switch the function based on the selected ID. So we want to set if the selected ID is equal to 0, then we will add the new to do. So we can copy this and paste to here. Otherwise, we will use the update to do. So actually we can also copy this and paste to here, and we are going to use the update to do. But this time we have to use the ID because we need to know which to do we need to add it. And then now we can try to see whether it works. So if we click on this and now we type a new title and then new detail, and then we go to select the date and click update. Now it executes the create to do. So now we try to delete this. The problem that we cannot update the to-do is because actually we do not have to-do.id inside our to-do object. Instead, we just has the selected ID, so we should type selected ID. If we try to click on this and then we want to add it and add more words in the details and click update, you can see there is an error that the response not successful. And this is because if you look back to the mutations in the client side and also the type def in the server side, in the type def it said we need to use the ID type, but inside the mutations of the client side we use the string type, so this caused the error. So we have to change this back to ID. And now if we go to click on this again and try to type something and click update, now you can see the to-do can update instantly.